Another year has arrived. Another list of goals, resolutions, dreams, waiting to be achieved. But deep down, you're wondering, will this year really be different? Will it be another cycle of false starts, motivation crashes, and that silent guilt creeping in when no one's watching? Or will it finally be the year you crush every single goal? Here's the truth. You already have everything you need. You just haven't unlocked it yet. 92% of people fail to achieve their New Year goals. That's not just a number. It's millions of dreams. Unwritten books. Unopened businesses. Unfinished weight loss journeys. Buried under excuses, burnout, and endless distractions. And maybe, you've been one of them. You start strong in January, full of fire. But by March, the vision fades. Life takes over. And the goals that once excited you, now haunt you. But what if this time, it's different? What if you had a blueprint? Not just motivation, but a method. Not just hype, but habit. What if 2025 isn't just another year? It's the year you change your life? Because it's not about having goals. It's about becoming the person who crushes them. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Every January, the world hits reset. Gym memberships spike. Journals sell out. Social feeds explode with "New Year, New Me." And for a moment, anything feels possible. But by February, the hype fades. The routines crumble. And the same old cycle begins again. Why? Because goal setting isn't about writing a wish list. It's about rewiring your mind. Reshaping your habits. Rebuilding yourself into the version you were always meant to become. This isn't going to be another generic self-help pep talk. This is transformation, real, raw, and proven. You'll learn how to build habits that actually stick, how to set goals that actually happen, and how to become unshakable in your focus. Because this isn't just motivation. It's a plan. For your mind. For your habits. For your year. Let's begin. Meet Alex. Not a millionaire. Not an influencer. Just a regular person, with a dream. And a pile of broken promises to himself. Every year, Alex did the same thing. New Year's Eve. Notebook open. Lose weight. Start a side hustle. Wake up early. But by spring? Forgotten. And so was the hope. Alex wasn't lazy, he was lost. He didn't need more goals. He needed clarity. Because deep down, he didn't believe he could change. He tried. And failed. So many times. Then came the night that changed everything. January 2024. Alone. Junk food wrappers on the table. YouTube playing in the background. And then, he heard a line that hit him like a punch. You're not stuck. You're just undisciplined. It wasn't an insult. It was a wake-up call. That night, Alex didn't write goals. He wrote why he kept failing. Fear. Lack of structure. No accountability. So he started small. Just one habit. Wake up at 6 a.m. every day. Brutal at first. But within a week, his mornings became a weapon. He read. He planned. He built a system. Not just a dream. By December 2024, he wasn't just lighter. He was disciplined. Confident. Free. He had run the half marathon. Built his freelance business. And most importantly, he trusted himself again. Now in 2025, Alex doesn't just write goals. He executes them. And if he can, so can you. Here's what most people won't tell you. Setting goals doesn't change your life. Systems do. You don't need hype. You need habits. Let's break it down. Habits over hype, motivation fades. Discipline stays. Identity drives behavior. Think like the person you want to become. Smart goals work, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Accountability is power. Share your goals. Check in. Repeat. Less hoping. More doing. Less wishing. More intention. So, how do you actually crush your goals in 2025? Let's build your battle plan. Step 1. Pick only 3 goals. Health, career, mind. Step 2. Break them into micro-actions. Step 3. Use the 66-day habit formula. Step 4. Time block your life. Make time. Keep it sacred. Step 5. Create visual reminders, vision boards, phone wallpapers, mirror notes. Step 6. Weekly check-ins. Reflect. Adjust. Step 7. Protect your energy, sleep, nutrition, focus. Step 8. Expect setbacks. And keep going anyway. The difference between dreamers and doers? Clarity. You can't hit a target you can't see. So build your vision board. Plan backward from December. Use a 3-point focus system. And fiercely defend your focus. Because a vision without a plan is just a wish. This isn't just another motivational video. It's your mirror. A reflection of what you already know. You were made for more. Not just to set goals, but to crush them. To build habits that rewrite your story. To wake up in December 2025, not with regret, but with proof. Proof that you showed up. Every single day. Just like Alex. He didn't wait for the perfect moment. He became the person his goals needed. Now it's your turn. Don't wait for motivation. Build momentum. Start today. One habit. 1 hour. One bold decision at a time. And if you fall off, stand back up. Because every goal worth chasing comes with resistance. But you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. So before you click away, take one small action. Write down your top 3 goals. Block 30 minutes on your calendar. Or share this with someone who needs it too. Because 2025 is waiting. But it won't wait forever. This is your time. Make it count.